This is Kenai Fjords National Park, and we have just 2 days to explore. In this video, we'll be searching for wildlife on one of the most sporty cruises of our lives.
And we're expecting 6 to 8 foot swells out in the Gulf of Alaska.
Sharing a taste of what van life has been so far in Alaska, and attempting to hike towards one of the best views in a national park. Will we see the incredibly rare humpback whale bubble net feeding, or make it to the presidential view?
And I am just drained.
Or will we be left with only a glimpse of what Kenai Fjords National Park has to offer?
Joining us for this adventure are our two good friends, Alex and Jackie, also known as Ajax.
Boarding time!
Yay!
You guys all ready?
We're ready.
We quickly learned that this was not going to be a fair weather cruise. The first mate also gave us a heads up that this might be a rough ride.
You're just gonna grab that rail and shoot for distance?
I am a little anxious, to be quite honest, and a little nervous.
Just a few minutes into Resurrection Bay, we've already found one of our favorite animals ever.
Sea otters.
What's better than one sea otter? 10 sea otters.
Glacier in sight, it is my chance to welcome you folks, or officially welcome you folks, to the Kenai Fjords National Park. Because everything we're going to see from that glacier.
Spire Cove is one of the most photographed areas in all of Alaska.
So pretty. Definitely feel some of the swell, but you can see like the swell is what created some of these like cave areas, so it's beautiful.
Wow. Now we're coming up to some rocky and rolly waters, so Captain told us to secure ourselves.
The roughest section of our trip today, fully, but fingers crossed.
Seeing a lot of birds and splashes off in the distance, our captain drove us out into the rough water for a sight that we were completely blown away by. Normally, humpback whales are pretty solitary creatures, but during the summer, when they are surrounded by large quantities of food, the whales will cooperatively feed by bubble netting. These groups of whales create a ring of bubbles, trapping fish, and then rise up to the center to feed on that fish. This feeding technique has been seen in 2 places in the world, here in Alaska and Antarctica, which makes seeing this behavior even more special. We could speculate where the whales could come up from where the birds flew, and when they came right up to our boat, we held our breath in disbelief.
False alarm. Here they go. Oh, right here.
That was the coolest thing! Oh my god! The coolest thing!
Guys, I've seen this a lot. I've never fucking seen this. Never seen. I have chills. I don't even.
Oh my gosh!
With that, we need to both let the whales have their space and head out of this crazy swell.
The glacier! Look!
When fallen snow compresses over millions of years into large, thickened ice masses, they're called glaciers, known as rivers of ice because the force of gravity on these ice masses, along with their sheer weight, causes the glaciers to flow like slow rivers. These rivers of ice carve through rock, creating the massive mountains and beautiful fjords that we're cruising through today.
What do you guys think? Our first tidewater glacier.
Calving. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's very blue.
We're about 4 hours into the trip today, and now that we're at the Northwestern Glacier, the engines are off. We're just floating. We're like a big old non-frozen iceberg ourselves. And it really is allowing us just to like experience this, because we can hear the calving of the glacier, the waterfalls surrounding us, the icebergs floating around us. Wow. This is a great national park, and a great way to experience it. Where we are right now is where the Northwestern Glacier was in 1909. So about 120 years, and it's receded over 8 miles. But it's stabilized where it's at now.
Just before the end of this incredible tour, we were treated with one last wildlife sighting, and we couldn't be more excited.
2 orcas, 12 o'clock.
Oh my god.
Jackie, how excited are you?
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
If you come and do the major marine tours, I hope you get Captain Justin and First Mate Jack. They were incredible storytellers, incredible captains and naturalists, navigators. 10 out of 10. Let's drive to one of the best boondocking locations we've ever stayed at. We are going to enjoy a nice homemade dinner, just like how Jen and I like to do it, at this beautiful spot. We're gonna have a campfire. It's gonna be epic. And this is part of just being in Alaska, the boondocking culture. All of the different RVers up here, and this spot is extremely popular for a good reason. Plenty of spots, wide open riverbed here, and we've been here for about a week on and off, and it's pretty cool seeing how it all changes. The water coming through on the days that it rains, on the day that it's sunny, where you have more snow melt. It's just very different, but always stunning and beautiful. But we're gonna enjoy and share a little bit of that experience with y'all tonight. But tomorrow we have a really fun hike planned to see the only part of Kenai Fjords National Park accessible by land.
Hello.
Hi, neighbors.
Cocktail time.
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tonight for dinner, we are having palak paneer, which is spinach curry with cheese. And it looks awesome.
Nailed it, Elliot!
Are you just
So
being
good.
kind?
No, so flavorful.
I like the spice.
Yes.
I don't necessarily taste a cheese.
Okay.
Like, the cheese doesn't have a distinct flavor to me.
Pretty mild, yes.
But, like,
Yeah.
you can get the texture from it, like you said.
Complex,
It's
which
very
I really
good.
like. Lots of flavor.
I really like the spice.
Yes.
Now it's time to unwind our night with a little bit of campfire action next to this stream fed by Exit Glacier, which we're going to be checking out tomorrow. A beautiful end to an amazing day. Ollie.
Last night was so fun enjoying our night with Ajax, but it is time to continue exploring this national park and see what the inside of Kenai Fjords National Park has to offer.
Just past the visitor sign, we are seeing dates on the side of the road. First date that we saw was in the 1800s, and what that date signifies is that at that point in time, Exit Glacier was all the way out here. So we were basically on this road to the park, traveling through time. Here's 1899. And it's pretty wild how fast this glacier is receding.
All right, time to go hike the Harding Icefield Trail.
Woo! Tough trail. I am just drained. I'm so tired. Like, yeah, it's been a tough trail for me. Jennifer's been killing it. Let's do it.
You got it.
We can do it. Yay!
We can do it.
We can do it.
The scenery today, because it is so sunny, maybe other days, I don't know if we're lucky or not because of the weather, but it is just beautiful. Like the mountains behind me, they're all snow-capped, and there are these like little trickles of waterfall from the melting snow caps, and you hear the rushing stream of water too, so you hear that, and then just like the view of the glacier is just incredible, and you have that like blue glacial blue. It is absolutely incredible, and might just be one of my favorite hikes that we have ever done in a national park.
We have made it to the Harding Icefield. I was gonna say Glacier, but we didn't know what an icefield was before coming to this park. And what it is, like, completely surprised us. We love glaciers, we love seeing glaciers, but an icefield is kind of like the parent of glaciers. So the Harding Icefield has many, many glaciers off of it. The Exit Glacier, the glaciers we saw yesterday, they're all connected to this one icefield, which is the largest completely contained within the continental US. So now I think I like icefields just as much as I like glaciers.
Even though this overlook is incredible, I really want to go to the end of the trail. Elliot will stay here and I'll continue on.
Bye for the rest of the trail.
Thanks. Bye. It's so weird to be walking on snow right now. Oh my gosh. This is tough. The snow is a bit slushy, so about every few steps is more like a slide than it is actual steps. But how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. The view from up here, you can really start to see the ice field. And I think of it almost like a grassy field, except instead of grass, it's ice. And I don't know, just seeing this for the first time, seeing this much snowpack become essentially an ice field is really spectacular. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. I feel like one of these moments in life are like the kind of moments that, yeah, just kind of gonna make me tear up. I feel very grateful to be here. Very grateful to be on this trail, to be in this park, to be able to experience this. I wish Elliot was here to experience this with me, but he's not feeling well. So that would be the only thing that could make this moment better. Just to look out and you see little peaks, mountain peaks, just rising through the snow, and knowing that these mountain peaks are so large and that they go so far down is just so humbling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, that's it. I think this trail has become one of my top favorite trails ever. I love glaciers, and now I love ice fields. They're rare and unique and beautiful, and yeah. But it's time to head down. I'm a little worried because I believe it's 7:30, and that's when Elliot thought that I would be back, but I have not been dilly-dallying. It is time to get back safely and then rejoin up with Elliot. Hey, Elliot found me.
I found Jen. I came looking for her at 7:30. It's about 45 minutes after that.
So now we'll see you at the van. Whee! He's still going.
You're coming so fast.
Oh my god! Watch out, watch out!
Oh God.
Oh, that's awesome. Best sledding of my life. Okay.
I mean, how could it not be? Look at this view. We're in some freaking speed. That was awesome.
Oh my gosh. That was funny. That was good.
Oh,
It's 10 p.m.
10 p.m. The bugs are out. We made it back to Summit. We'll see you in our next video as we visit probably our most remote and hard to get to national park yet.